File your taxes this year is April 18th.
And here with some tips is our friend Crystal Faulkner, a partner with MCM CPAs. Thank you so much for coming in. And we were just talking about during the break, one of the first bits of advice, people are worried about whether they'll get audited or not.
That's right, John. And audits are rare. However, if you are a high income earner, then you're more likely to get audited. So if you're lucky enough to be in that category, make sure that your records are in good order, that you have all your supporting documentation. Also, take a look at your deductions compared to your income, because the IRS computers do that for you if you don't. And if your deductions are large compared to your income, for example, large charitable contributions relative to your income, you're likely to be pulled for an audit. And then certainly, make sure you have all of the information reported on your return. That is one of the most common reasons for people to get audited. Dividends that you receive in the mail, the 1099s that you receive for your retirement plan distributions, those have to be on the return. Otherwise, I can assure you the IRS will come calling.
Now, if you do get a letter from the IRS, what should you do, Crystal?
Don't panic. That's the first thing. Don't panic, because most audits, Sheila, are just random. There's nothing that you've done wrong. So don't take the notice, stick it in the drawer, and forget about it, because they will absolutely come knocking on your door at that point. You do need to understand the type of audit. Most audits are just correspondence audits, which means that you can handle it through the mail. Perhaps there's something on the return that doesn't match their records, so you can take care of it. However, if you do get selected for an office audit, you very well may want to hire a tax professional or go back to the individual or the company that helped you prepare the return. That's something you really may need some help on.
And something we talk about, and probably will for the rest of the tax season, there are people out there who want your money. There are scam artists and crooks pretending to be the IRS. How do you tell who is and who is not?
Well, first of all, it's very important to understand that the IRS will never make the initial contact through a telephone call or email, and especially a threatening telephone call. So if you get one of those calls, hang up immediately. Just don't talk to these people, because they're scam artists, they're criminals. And if you do, make sure you contact the Taxpayer Attorney General's office. There's an email that you can actually email, and there's a telephone number that's up on the screen that you can call and report this. Just be sure to know that these people will not come and take you away in the middle of the night.
And we have the link and the phone number on our website if you need that at local12.com. Thanks a lot, Crystal.
You're welcome.
Be right back.